case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2015, a semi-trailer truck driver clashed with another vehicle, igniting a controversial legal battle that reached the Wisconsin Supreme Court. The friction arose from a critical question. Does the truck driver, as a professional, owe a higher standard of care? The trial jury seemed to think so, finding the trucker 65% causally negligent, and the opposing party 35%. The result was a hefty damages tally of $1,097,955.86 for the truck driver and $63,366 for his adversary's spouse. The verdict, however, didn't sit well with the truck driver. He argued that the jury instruction cast an unjustly heavy burden on him. It was inherently flawed, demanding a higher standard of care than ordinary people due to his status as a professional truck driver. Citing these grievances, he petitioned for a new trial. This contentious case rested on understanding how the standard of ordinary care applies to vocations requiring unique competency, like semi-trailer truck driving. The court ventured to determine if the defendant's professional acumen and specialized understanding were indeed vital considerations to gauge whether he behaved reasonably during the accident. Despite his robust protest, the trucker did not see his desired outcome. The Wisconsin Supreme Court cemented the circuit court's ruling, refusing the truck driver a new trial. Evoking the defendant's professional prowess and expertise as a semi-trailer truck driver, the court asserted their relevance in gauging his actions' reasonableness. Thus, the truck driver's skill set and knowledge, the court confirmed, were critical factors under the principle of ordinary care for determining negligence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class